1000 LB sisters Kris and Brittany Combs show true colors at event. In a surprising and deeply heartfelt turn of events, Kris and Brittany Combs, fan favorite members of the hit TLC reality series 1000 LB Sisters, captivated attendees and fans alike at a recent public appearance that revealed more than just their physical transformations. It unveiled their emotional evolution, family values, and genuine character that viewers have long speculated about behind the camera lens. The occasion, originally scheduled as a routine meet and greet and community wellness rally in Kentucky, turned into an unexpected showcase of courage, raw truth, and unity that few expected but many appreciated. Kris Combs, known for his down-to-earth humor, supportive presence, and notable weight loss journey, arrived at the event alongside his wife Brittany, who has maintained a lower profile compared to the more televised Slayton sisters. From the moment they stepped onto the community center stage in Owensboro, there was a different energy in the room, a blend of warmth, sincerity, and something vulnerable that set this event apart from the usual celebrity appearance. As fans and local media gathered around, it quickly became clear that Kris and Brittany were there for more than photo ops and handshakes. Dressed casually in jeans and matching navy blue tops with the phrase, "Stronger Together," embroidered on the sleeves, the couple walked onto the stage hand in edge and greeted by enthusiastic cheers. But the mood shifted as Kris took the microphone and opened up about struggles that went far beyond diet plans and scale numbers. "I want to talk to you all not just as someone you've seen on TV, but as someone who's lived through the pain, the judgment, the hard nights, and come out better on the other side because of family, faith, and love," Kris said, his voice firm yet tinged with emotion. "This journey ain't just about what we eat or how we move, it's about who stands with us when it gets real." What followed was a 45-minute speech and interactive discussion that left many attendees in tears, including Brittany herself, who shared personal insights into the couple's struggles with mental health, relationship hurdles, and the intense scrutiny that comes from being in the reality TV spotlight. For many fans, this was the first time Brittany spoke candidly in public, and her poised, articulate reflections won over even the most casual viewer. People see the show and they see moments, just snippets of our lives. What they don't always see is what happens off camera, in the quiet moments when we are doubting ourselves, fighting for our health, and holding each other together, Brittany said, her voice steady. "We wanted to be here today not as stars, but as people who understand what it feels like to fight for your peace and your purpose." The most powerful moment of the event came when the couple invited questions from the audience. One attendee, a young woman who said she had been struggling with body image issues and anxiety, tearfully asked Kris how he stays motivated when it feels like progress is invisible. Kris walked off the stage, approached her directly, and gave her a long, comforting hug. "It's okay to feel stuck sometimes," he told her. "What matters is you don't quit. You don't stop showing up for yourself, even when no one else gets it. And on the days you can't fight alone, lean on the people who love you." The crowd erupted in applause, and several others joined in to share their own stories. What had begun as a structured event became an organic support circle, with Kris and Brittany at the center, listening and encouraging without judgment or condescension. That kind of openness is rare, especially in the world of reality TV, where personas are often shaped by editing and narratives driven by drama. Later in the event, the couple touched on the dynamics within the 1000 LB Sisters cast, including their evolving relationship with Amy and Tammy Slayton. Without divulging too much behind-the-scenes information, Kris made it clear that family bonds have been tested but not broken. "We've had our differences, sure. We're real people, but at the end of the day, we all want the same thing, to be healthy, to be happy, and to see each other succeed. Me and Brittany try to lead with love, and sometimes that means tough love. But love, always." They also addressed the topic of online hate and how public commentary has impacted their mental health. Brittany admitted that early on, she would avoid social media altogether because of the negative comments. Over time, she learned to filter the noise and focus on the messages that mattered. "I used to read some of those comments and just cry. People forget that we are not characters, they forget we are human," Brittany said. "But over time, I've learned to look for the light. For every hater, There's someone saying, "Thank you. You helped me. That's who we do this for." By the end of the evening, fans left not only with autographs and selfies but with a renewed sense of connection. Many took to social media to praise the couple's authenticity and bravery. Hashtags like #RealTalkWithChris and Brittany in number 1000 L Sisters Strong began trending in local circles. In the days following the event, TLC released a short behind-the-scenes video clip showing the Combses preparing for the evening, further emphasizing the network's support of their journey. Producers hinted that some of the footage may be included in the upcoming season, promising viewer a deeper, more personal look into the Combs family. While some critics have questioned whether the event was overly emotional or too scripted, those in attendance have pushed back, insisting it was anything but staged. "I've never felt so seen," one attendee commented on a fan forum. "They didn't just show up, they showed up." And perhaps that's the essence of what made this event so powerful. The rare sight of reality stars stepping outside the carefully curated world of television and choosing to meet their audience where it truly matters, in honesty, humility, and hope. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.